Hello friends, welcome back to our exciting video. Elizabeth II $1 and $2 Canadian coins from 1994, 1995, and 1998. Queen Elizabeth II reigned as Canada's monarch from 1952 until her death in 2022. Her image graced Canadian coins for 70 years, making her one of the most recognizable figures in Canadian numismatics. The coins from the 1990s carry both historical and cultural significance, representing a period of economic development and technological advancement in Canada. During the 1990s, Canada issued both $1 and $2 coins as part of an effort to modernize the currency system, reduce costs, and enhance durability over paper money. Let's get started. First step: Elizabeth II $1 coin from 199 and other contextual information. This script can be used for educational, numismatic, or presentation purposes. The 1994 Elizabeth II $1 coin holds a unique place in the annals of modern numismatics, especially within the context of Canadian coinage. Featuring Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and part of Canada's rich visual heritage on the reverse, this coin is not only a medium of exchange but also a symbol of national identity, political continuity, and artistic craftsmanship. In this script, we will explore in depth the historical background, geographical context, design elements, circulation versus uncirculated conditions, and numismatic significance of the 1994 Elizabeth II $1 coin. Queen Elizabeth II ascended the throne in 1952 and reigned until her passing in 2022, making her the longest reigning monarch in British and Canadian history. Her portrait graced the obverse of many Commonwealth coins, including Canada's. By 1994, her image was well established on Canadian coinage, and her depiction on the $1 coin symbolized both the stability of the monarchy and the continuity of Canada's constitutional frameworks. Canada introduced the modern $1 coin in 1987, famously nicknamed the loonie, due to the image of a common loon on its reverse. The introduction of the coin was meant to replace the paper dollar and reduce printing costs. The 1994 version continues in this tradition. The 1994 $1 coin was issued by the Royal Canadian Mint, headquartered in Ottawa, Ontario, with a production facility also located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, which handles circulation coinage. Canada, as the issuing country, spans 6 time zones and boasts a diverse geography, from Arctic tundra and the Canadian Shield to the Atlantic and Pacific coastlines. Its natural landscapes and wildlife, such as the loon featured on the coin, are often depicted in national symbols, including currency. Portrait, designed by Dora de Pedery Hunt, the obverse features a mature image of Queen Elizabeth II. Elizabeth II. D.G. Regina, Latin for, by the grace of God, Queen. This version of her portrait was used on Canadian coins from 1990 to 2002. Design, created by Robert Ralph Carmichael, the reverse features a common loon swimming in a Canadian lake, with a small islet in the background. The loon, known for its haunting call and graceful appearance, is a fitting symbol of Canadian wilderness. Canada. 1994, the year of issue. Dollar. Feature specification: composition aureate, bronze-plated nickel, weight 7.0 grams, diameter 26.5 mm, thickness 1.95 mm, edge 11-sided, hendecagonal, smooth mint, Royal Canadian Mint color golden, due to the aureate plating. The coin's distinct 11-sided shape helps blind individuals identify it by touch and prevents confusion with similarly sized coins. Approximately 20,295,000 coins were minted for general circulation in 1994. Additional uncirculated and special edition coins were produced in smaller quantities for collectors. Coins from this mintage were widely used in commerce and are still occasionally encountered in circulation today. Over time, circulated coins show signs of wear, including surface scratches, edge wear, dulling of the golden luster, loss of fine detail on the Queen's portrait or the loon design. Despite wear, these coins remain legal tender and are often collected for their nostalgic or historical value. Coins in uncirculated (UNC) condition are those that have never been used in general commerce. Characteristics include sharp, crisp detail with no signs of wear, original mint luster, golden shine, no scratches, dents, or discoloration. These coins are usually found in mint sets, proof-like sets, or specimen sets. Proof-like, PL, highly reflective surfaces, struck on specially prepared dies. Specimen, a hybrid between proof and circulation, typically features frosted designs on mirrored fields. These versions are more sought after by collectors due to their superior aesthetic quality and limited mintage. Values vary depending on condition, rarity, and collector demand. Condition estimated value, CAD, circulated $1.00, $1.25 uncirculated, mint, $2.00, $5.00 proof, like/specimen $5.00, $10 plus, in sets. Note, these values are approximate and may vary depending on the coin market and grading specifics. The 1994 $1 coin was part of the ongoing evolution of Canadian currency during the late 20th century, a period marked by the gradual phasing out of smaller denomination bills, inflation adjustments, and advances in minting technology. The loonie has since become a national symbol and has played roles beyond its monetary function. For example, it's often invoked in political or economic discussions, e.g., the loonie is up/down, referring to the CAD versus USD exchange rate. The loonie coin was famously embedded beneath the ice at the 2002 Salt Lake City Winter Olympics to bring luck to Canadian hockey teams. They both won gold. If you are interested in collecting the 1994 Elizabeth II $1 coin, here are some tips. Look for uncirculated or proof-like versions in mint packaging. Avoid coins with heavy wear, corrosion, or environmental damage unless collecting for historical interest. Consider professional grading for coins in excellent condition to validate and protect their value. Store coins in acid-free holders or capsules to preserve their luster and avoid tarnish. The 1994 Elizabeth II $1 coin is more than just currency, it is a piece of Canadian heritage. With its distinctive design, symbolic imagery, and connection to the reign of Queen Elizabeth II, it represents a meaningful era in Canada's numismatic and cultural history. Whether found in circulation, tucked away in a collector's album, or showcased in a mint set, the loonie remains an enduring icon of Canada. If you need a printable version, presentation slides, or script adaptation for video or narration, let me know, I'd be happy to help. Elizabeth II $2 coin from 1998. Background and context. Design elements, obverse and reverse. Minting, circulation, and condition information. Collector value, circulated versus uncirculated. Geographical usage and distribution. Significance of the coin in Canadian history. Today, we delve into the fascinating history of one of Canada's most iconic pieces of currency, the 1998 Elizabeth II $2 coin, affectionately known as the toonie. More than just a means of payment, this coin represents a unique moment in Canadian monetary, cultural, and even wildlife history. The $2 coin, or toonie, was first introduced in 1996 by the Royal Canadian Mint, replacing the paper $2 bill. The move came as part of a broader effort to reduce printing costs and increase the longevity of currency. Coins, as we know, last far longer in circulation than paper notes. By 1998, this coin had already become a familiar part of Canadians' everyday lives. It featured the reigning monarch, Queen Elizabeth II, on the obverse, the beloved polar bear on the reverse. The year 1998 marked the third year of production for the toonie, and it reflects a period of stability and national identity for Canada as it headed toward the new millennium.